Foshan Zeren Precision Casting Company was founded in 2009 with a precision casting plant and a mechanical processing plant located at Foshan, Guangdong, China. Zeren uses advanced investment casting, lost wax casting process for precision castings production, which are made of stainless steel, carbon steel, and alloy steel, etc. We can also provide subsequent machining of casting, and we also have passed and implemented the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. Our company focus on the lost wax investment casting products offer mold manufacturing, CNC machining, polishing, surface treatment, and other design surfaces. From stainless steel investment castings to carbon steel investment castings, we keep you ahead of the competition. Our attention to detail, using precision casting and the machining techniques, produce the highest quality steel castings for various industries. All of our products are silica sole investment casting instead of water glass investment casting. With our state-of-the-art equipment and automation, we can deliver the best performance and the lowest total cost for every component you develop. Quality is always the highest priority at Zeren. We strive to meet and exceed all customer requirements and expectations and provide on-time delivery of defect-free casting and precision machine parts. Zeren incorporates a robust quality plan to inspect and verify every lot. Our quality assurance professionals maintain the highest standards of training and education. Prior to exit factory, all material and dimensional inspections are completed and certified. Our thesis also published in academic journals during these 20 years, and some theses directly rewrote part of the content of the textbook in foundry major in Chinese universities. In the past 20 years, many skilled technicians in the foundry industry have mastered this technology, and we also made great contributions to the technical progress of the foundry industry.